Hello students, today we'll discuss about plane turning operation program. That programming making by the G and M codes. Plane turning operation. Program making by using G and M codes. Here is a striking example for making plane turning operation. The example is here. Length of bar is 200 mm. Dia of bar is 60 mm. Speed of spindle is 1000 RPM. Feed rate is 50 mm per minute. We can draw the figure of this example. Length is 200 mm. Dia of bar 60 mm. The dia reduced by plane turning operation. $20 mm represent, and this figure is here. The dotted line represent the removing of the material. After removing of this material, dia will be 40 mm. As you know, for preparing of the program by the help of G and M code, firstly define direction of tool movement. That point O is origin, which is here. Here is 0, 0. X-axis and the negative X, Y-axis and negative Y. Firstly, we define pre-position of the tool. That point, any point of the A, which is here, ahead from the workpiece. That length is overhanging length on the lathe machine. Pre-position of the tool, we can define any positive coordinate like 20, 20. That pre-position of the tool, because the machine at the rest on the home position, and the home position coordinate didn't know, so we can firstly take the pre-position of the tool, and that point 2020. And the next step for the programming, the writing the line first. The program format in word address. So in line 1 we can put all fixed G codes like geometry, the whole geometry in all dimension in mm. So G20 and the feed rate in mm per minute G95, and the go to reference we can use here the G28, and the spindle speed here is 1000 rpm, and the spindle we can represent by capital S, that is put here, and if we have the fix of the feed rate, then we can put here by capital F. So all, and the coordinate system in an absolute mode, and put G90. So all fixed coordinate put in first line, and the second line can give the preposition of the tool, that is the point to point and rapid traverse, that we can use G00, and X and Y coordinate we put 20, and next line again G00, X0 and Y00, and the spindle we can start M03, and line 4 put G01 and start the operation. Then X and Y coordinates put 0 to 200, and that is negative X. So here minus 200, and depth of the cut is 2 mm, that is gone minus X. That positive X on the operator side, and that minus X is depth of cut. So here minus 2 mm, and 05 also G01, and that is fixed moment, and the Y we want to 20 mm reduce the dia of the particular bar, then we can repeat the 10 times of the minus 2, that is so on up to Y minus 10. So we can find the reduce the particular dia up to 20 mm. That is turning operation writing for this program by the using of G and M code. Thank you.